Hi guys, today I will discuss about solution of simple harmonic oscillator. Solution of simple harmonic oscillator. From equation 3 we have d square xy dt square plus omega square x equal to 0. From d square xy dt square equal to the rate equation d by dt into dx by dt that equal to dv by dt that equal to dv by dx into dx by dt. dx by dt cross multiplication, dx is cancel, dv by dt, v into dv by dx. Since v equal to dx by dt, substitute the value d square x by dt square from equation 3. Okay, v into dv by dx equal to minus omega square x. v into dv equal to minus omega square x into dx. Integrating on both sides, we have integral v into dv equal to minus omega square into integral x into dx, v square by 2 equal to minus omega square x square by 2 plus c1, where c1 is constant integration. This equation number 4. v square by 2 equal to minus omega square x square by 2 plus c1, where c1 is constant integration. The value of c1 is obtained by applying condition that x equal to a and v equal to velocity of the particle, v equal to 0. From above equation, v square ante v equal to 0, 0 by anything equal to 0, minus omega square a square by 2 plus c1, 0 equal to minus omega square a square by 2 plus c1, c1 equal to omega square a square by 2. The constant integration C1 equal to omega square A square by 2, where omega is the angular frequency, A is the amplitude. From equation 5, we get v square by 2 equal to minus omega square x square by 2 plus c1 equal to omega square a square by 2. V square equal to minus omega square x square plus omega square a square. V square equal to omega square common diste a square minus x square. The velocity v equal to square itself omega square into a square minus x square whole root. The velocity v equal to omega into root of a square minus x square. This is equation number 6. To find the velocity v equal to omega into square root of a square minus x square. Put x equal to a sine theta and dx equal to a cos theta d theta. From equation 6 we get dx a cos theta d theta by square root of a square minus x square, x equal to a sine theta, a square sine square theta equal to omega into dt. A cos theta d theta whole by a square common this a into square root of 1 minus sine square theta equal to omega into dt. Since sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, that implies 1 minus sine square theta equal to cos square theta. A cos theta d theta by a into square root of 1 minus sine square theta equal to cos square theta equal to omega into dt. Is square root to cancel. A cos theta theta d theta by a cos theta equal to omega into dt. A cancel, cos theta cancel. D theta equal to omega into dt. Integrating on both sides, integral d theta equal to omega into integral dt, theta equal to omega t plus phi. This equation, this is the angle of theta equal to omega t plus phi. Phi is constant of integration. Okay, theta equal to omega t plus phi. Now the displacement of the particle is given by x equal to a sin theta, where theta equal to omega t plus pi. Therefore x equal to a sin omega t plus pi. This is equation number 8. X is the displacement, a is the amplitude, omega is the angular frequency, t is the time period, phi is the angle phase. Now the displacement along the y-axis is given by y equal to a sin omega t plus phi. Okay, x equal to a sin omega t plus pi, or y equal to a sin omega t plus phi along the x-axis, along the y-axis. Now the motion of the oscillating the particle, the displacement is given by y equal to a sin omega t plus phi.